In today's digital age, technology has opened up numerous avenues for earning money online. One such avenue is leveraging artificial intelligence tools like chatgpt as content creation. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that uses advanced natural language processing techniques to generate human-like text. In this article, we will explore how you can utilize ChatGPT to earn money by employing it as a content creation tool. 1. The power of AI in content creation. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we produce content. With the advent of language models like ChatGPT, businesses and individuals can now generate high-quality and engaging content efficiently. AI-powered content creation tools offer a range of benefits, including improved efficiency. ChatGPT can generate content at a rapid pace, saving you time and effort. Enhanced creativity. The AI model can generate unique ideas and suggestions, helping you craft compelling content. Consistency. AI ensures consistency in tone, style, and grammar, maintaining a cohesive brand voice. Language proficiency. ChatGPT is fluent in multiple languages, allowing you to cater to diverse audiences. 2. Leveraging ChatGPT for content creation. Using ChatGPT as a content creation tool is a simple and straightforward process. Here's how you can make the most out of this AI technology. Understanding your audience. Before utilizing ChatGPT, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your target audience. Research their interests, preferences, and pain points. This knowledge will enable you to create tailored content that resonates with your audience and adds value to their lives. As we all know that we need to ask ChatGPT for questions, and then he will give us the answer, therefore, we need to know how we shall ask questions. Generating article outlines for content creation. Start by creating a comprehensive outline for your articles. This will help structure your content and ensure that it flows logically. Use headings and subheadings to organize your ideas and make the article reader-friendly. The outline provides a roadmap for ChatGPT to follow when generating the content.